Cacific, the heart of broadband.
Being a successful CAD, kailangan ng sipag, kailangan ng tiyaga, patience, kailangan maging matatag ka. Being a CAD is challenging. Installing in a remote area is a challenging part for us. Kasi tumaka ka ng bundok, tumawid ka ng dagat or ilog para marating mo yung area na kailangan mong installan.
I think with a bright future, thanks again for being with us through this journey and making our offer and service a vibrant and innovative service across the Philippines, and would like to continue engaging you and keeping you in our network for as long as you want to be, and hopefully you feel part of the Cacific family. Thank you.
First of all, we thank Cacific for really have that vision and having that passion to really serve the unserved communities, kasi it has transformed the lives of many Filipinos, and it has also offered an opportunity for especially yung mga KADs extra income by way of what we're doing.
In less than 2 months, we were able to sign up at least 30 KADs. Thanks to them, they brought in and they proved that the KAD model is really working for Cacific.
And the most challenging part there is, since walang kuryente, walang presence ng any other communication, it's really hard for us to coordinate the installation. The only time we get relieved knowing the team is safe is when the terminal comes on and they send us the first message telling us, "Sir, up na po yung site, may internet na po."
Malaking bagay po na naging part ako ng Cacific o naging distributor po nila. Malaking impact po ito sa business ko po dahil bukod po sa nadagdagan yung kita po ng business, nakilala po ang Octatech hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, nakilala na rin po sa halos buong mundo.
We cannot do it, so we need you. The work is not done. We'll keep in contact with you to try to still working with you and how again to grow and grow and grow.
Dedikasyon lang, tsaka yung determinasyon sa trabaho. Importante yung kaalaman kung paano ikabit yung product para dating namin dun sa area, wala kami magiging problema sa installation.
Panatilihin lang natin yung eagerness sa pagbebenta. Huwag tayong matakot na mayroon tayong kakompetensya. Yun naman talaga nandiyan sa market yan. Basta tayo, gawin lang natin yung customer support na mas maganda. Huwag nating iiwanan yung ating customer.
Let me leave you this, so don't get tired. If someone needed our service and help, let's work together and succeed together.